Hello everybody, today we're making Grinch punch, getting into the holiday spirit. You know, the Christmas movies are coming out on the Hallmark. I'm feeling Christmassy. We're gonna start with some Hawaiian punch. I have the green berry rush because we're doing some Christmas theme. And we're gonna fill 1 cup about, halfway to 3/4. Right up there. And we're gonna pour that in our bowl because I'm making just enough for me and my mom, about a Tupperware full. So I didn't need a huge bowl of it. But this will definitely show you guys the concept. You might need, if you're making a huge punch bowl, a bigger amount. And I used my paper cups. They're red and green. We're really running with this Christmas theme here. Next, we're gonna take some Sprite, and we're gonna do the same thing, about 3/4. Don't need a whole lot. Fill that right up there. My stepdad used to love Sprite. He was a huge fan of Sprite. I can't say that's my favorite soda. I'm a Pepsi gal myself. But some good stuff and some punch. And then we're gonna take ice cream. We got rainbow sherbet.
Only use the green.
Right, we've got rainbow sherbet. We're only using the green here. And so we're gonna put some scoops of that.
Because your mama couldn't find just green
Right, my mom couldn't find just green sherbet. So we got ourselves some rainbow here. Because my mama, she's my partner. My partner here. She helps me make some of my videos. We're going to get a whole bunch of this. Just plop that right in there. I think my favorite ice cream going up was more of a Moose Tracks. Oh, but I like sherbet too. I'm gonna end up needing a napkin. I'm gonna have sticky hands.
There's a dishcloth.
Yeah. But it looks good. Honestly, I wish I had an ice cream scoop now. I'm probably gonna have to get me one because I could make it look like pretty scoops, But oh goodness, it does actually look pretty cool. You can definitely see it looking Grinchy. It's green as the Grinch. That's one of my favorite holiday movies. I'm thinking about maybe ranking a bunch of holiday movies in another video later. I think that'd be fun. Because I know there's a new one out on Netflix. There's some cool Hallmark ones. Maybe we could rank them ourselves and then check out IMDb's rating, their movie ratings, and see how they rank up on there. If we,
that would be cool.
If our ratings match up with the majority of them.
You can probably steer it after that scoop.
Yeah, I think I can.
It says to use your own judgment on your own taste and how much you want.
I think my judgment is just let's dump the whole tub of ice cream in. The more ice cream, the better. So then we just stir it here. I wonder if we're stirring it till it's... Were we stirring it till it's completely melted?
No.
No. So is that good right there, you think, Mom?
Yep.
Because my mom found me the recipe. I haven't made it before, but it looks good. That's some fizz right there.
So you use green berry rush, Hawaiian punch, Sprite, and you use green sherbet ice cream.
Yep.
Show them what else you do.
Okay. And then we wet the rim here, right?
Yep.
There's just a little water. Okay. And then you're supposed, it said used sanding sugar. Yeah, I'm trying to remember if I make sure I remember that right. But this is cake mate sugar, and that should work just as well. It's red because you want it to be a little Christmassy. Oh wow, there is some sugar around the edge of that. It's sticking. See, we found a good substitute there.
Yep. Now you can pour it in there.
And we pour some in.
Goodness. This might be scary. Do not try this at home. It might be scary.
You're thinking I'm going to end up dumping it all in there. We might have to do this over the sink a little in case some spills up. I'm just being prepared.
Oh, you got to get some ice cream in there.
I know. I think I'll have to use the spoon a little, yeah. Get some of this ice cream in here. See, now I figure out another thing I need on my list here, right? We gotta get a big spoon for punch. Here we go there. Plop some of that good stuff in there. Better leave some ice cream for you too, though. Because I know you're gonna want to try some.
I am. You gonna try it?
I will. I was gonna put in a little more though.
Oh, go ahead.
I mean, you want as much of that as you can in there. Get all that good flavor. Okay. Now that is some cool looking punch.
Look at this.
That's actually pretty good. I like it. I think this one's like a 10 out of 10 for me. Definitely Christmassy. This would be great at a little Christmas
Grinch
gathering.
punch.
Yeah. Might have to drink this the next time I watch the Grinch. I'd be sitting there with my Grinch punch and some holiday cookies.
Yep. You got holiday cookies right there.
I know I do. I got them right over there from one of my other videos. From one of my shopping hauls. But, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And be sure to make yourself a glass of Grinch punch while you watch this. Bye, everyone.